Can you say clean? Holy crap, clean. Candy apple red 4x4 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. What year is this? A 2000. Trade in at Earl Duff Subaru, 176,000 miles. Is that not a beautiful ride or what? Look at those headlights. Man, that is a beautiful truck. It looks like it's been wrecked though. These lines don't line up. Too big of a gap. That's a shame. Yeah, and the bumper's a little off. But what a beautiful rig. It looks really good. And look how clean the interior is. Holy shit, y'all. I mean, guys, this thing looks like a brand new freaking Jeep. This is crazy. We got a ride, baby. I don't care if she's been wrecked. We got a ride. Oh, no leg room. Jesus. Let's start her up. Hang on. Let me get you right here. Wow. Man, she sounds good. Good old 4-liter inline 6. Got a little bit of an exhaust leak, but I kind of like the exhaust leak. Sounds good. It sounds really good. Oh man, and it's 4-wheel drive. Oh dude, this thing is tight. But God, the seat won't scoot back far enough for my tall ass. This is made for short people. Good grief. Well, it's pretty nice and it's pretty tight, but we got a bushing. Yep. We're gonna need a tie rod end link, or yeah, we got a serious clunk 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 going on in the front. But oh my gosh, other than that, this thing is just jam up. Good oil pressure, good temperature, no gas. But fucking clean. My God, this thing is so clean. Oh. And that good old 4-liter. Oh, so smooth. I mean, not a powerhouse monster, but just so smooth. Yeah, we got a really rattly. We got something that needs a bushing bad. Here, I mean, it's bad. Oh, this thing is so nice. I just love it. So nice. 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee with, I guess that's Select Track. Yeah, Select Track 4-wheel drive. Just wonderful. Cool, cool, cool. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.